Hello you guys and welcome. Who's ready for another eyebrow video? These are like my favorite videos to film because I love trying new eyebrow stuff. So you guys have seen some of my other videos. I've done brow stamping, eyebrow tattoos, eyebrow tint. So as you can see, I don't have eyebrows. I did a little too much plucking in the 90s. Anywho, I came across this product on Amazon and I was very excited to give it a try. So this is the Tattoo Eyebrow Gel Easy Peel Off and Tint. What? You peel these off, up to 3-day long lasting. And I do believe that Maybelline has one like this. So I want to say this might be like a dupe for the Maybelline one. I did get mine in the color warm brown because my hair, well, it's not really showing up on camera, but it is kind of red. I was hoping that this color would match my hair. So yeah, it says basically, oh, and the cool thing, I was pleasantly surprised when I opened it up, there's two of them. So you get two products and I want to say it was around $15. And this is what they look like, the applicator. There's like lots of product on there. I'm a little nervous to apply this. I don't know how even it's going to go on. Normally when I tint my brows, I use like a precise eyebrow brush, but I'm just going to try to use this, go in with this and see what happens. All right, let me tell you what it says to do. Step 1, keep brows clean and dry, apply it on brows and make desired shape. So I assume you can like just kind of put it on and then maybe take a Q-tip to clean up any messes. Leave it to dry at least 20 minutes normally to get super long wear. You are supposed to set for 2 hours. 2 hours? Okay. And then step 3, peel off, using your fingers to peel off the brow gel layer from the inner to outer corner of brow. Oh, and then the top tip. Before setting, touch up the edges with a cotton swab. Okay, so I'm nervous. Just going to, yeah, we're going to get into it. Hair back. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. I say this for every single video. Now I'm going to try to, okay, this might not be the best mirror. Okay, so I want to try to use the mirror, but I want to like make sure you guys can really see. Okay, I'm just going to go in. We're just going to do it. So there's a ton of product on this thing, but I feel like that's what you, like it's going to be a tint, so I'm going to be peeling most of it off anyways, right? So, all right, let's do this. I'm very curious to know if it's going to like tint my skin and stay on the skin or if it just does the brows. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I forgot to mention, my face is clean. I just have a little bit of mascara on and a little bit of concealer. I don't want to scare you guys. So I'm obviously going in and trying to like do my brows how I normally would because I have to fill them in every day. So I'm kind of just trying to do that. Also want to make sure there's enough product on there so that there's something to peel off. Also, we talk about how dark this is. Is this really going to be a warm brown? Okay, let's do the other eye. I feel like I did so good on this one. Now I'm having problems with this other one. Okay, so that was pretty easy to apply. Yeah. All right, so now we wait. I don't know if I'm going to do the full 2 hours. I will do at least 20 minutes. Maybe I'll do like an hour because I'm a little nervous with the color. I don't want it to be whatever. My hair looks pretty dark anyway, so these might just match. All right, you guys, we'll be back. Okay, we're back. It's been about an hour. Let's try to peel these off. I'm a bit nervous. I just don't want my real brows to come off. I don't have that many. Okay. Okay, I mean, that's a pretty big chunk that just peeled off, and I don't think I see any of my brows in it. I don't feel like this is a warm brown color by any means, but I'm okay with that. I think that one's all peeled off. Let's try this one. These don't peel off like as easy as I was expecting. Oh, okay, here we go. So I'm actually gonna take a wet cloth here and just wipe it and try to get the rest of the stuff off. Okay, I mean, it definitely tinted the brows, not as like, I don't know what I was expecting. I guess I was expecting more. I feel like some of the product came off like just now when I wiped it. So yeah, I don't know how this stuff is gonna last for 3 days, but I'm gonna finish putting on the rest of my makeup and I will do a check-in later, probably tonight after I take off my makeup. And then I'll probably check in the morning, like after I sleep, and wash my face again. So we'll see. It definitely matches my brows because my brows were dark. I just didn't have a lot of them. So, and it matches my hair, I feel like. So, all right, we'll see you guys soon. Okay, so this is the next morning, and after washing my face last night, they're definitely pretty much gone. I feel like they still, like the actual brows are a little bit tinted still, but I feel like the skin, it's completely off. I do use a cleansing oil, so that's probably why most of it came off, but I don't know. In a pinch, I feel like it works, but don't expect it to last too long.